Hello everyone, welcome to my classroom. I'm Neetu Ann Thomas, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, SNIT Adur. I've been teaching you principles of management. Today we're going to learn about the challenges faced by the management. What are the different challenges which the management faces at different stages? So, firstly, when we talk about challenges, it is globalization. So, what is globalization? It is the transformation of local goods into global ones, right? So, in most of the countries, they are opening their borders to foreign products as well as foreign producers. So, the companies of developed countries are entering foreign countries by opening manufacturing facilities there. So, managements of global companies are adjusting their organizational structure as per the requirements of situations. So, the managers are being taught to be global in approach. Right. So the executives from concerned companies or countries are given the responsibility for running the subsidiaries. So if a company do not have a global contact, then their business will adversely affect. So that is globalization. Secondly, it is quality and productivity. So, quality and productivity means it is a set of features that satisfy the customers, right? So, quality is something which everybody urges for. So, it is a set of features or characteristics of a product that is able to satisfy the need of customers. And productivity refers to the effectiveness of the production process. So if these two factors are really challenging in case of management, because once if the quality is very bad or not up to the mark, then customers will not buy the product, right? So we cannot compromise on quality and productivity. Thirdly, it is changing technology. So, technological changes would matter in an organization because a manager should be updated with the new forms of technology in the market and the market scenario, because only if he is updated or he knows well about the current market conditions, he can update it with his business, right? So, technology is set of a process in the organization which is used to transform resources into goods and services. So, changes in technology plays an important part for the management. So, a manager should be well aware of the change in technology and he should update himself with the new technology. Fourthly, it is change in environmental forces. That is, it is if the industry is facing increasing pressures to eliminate or at least reduce waste and pollution of all kinds. So all organizations will have to be more concerned about the disastrous effects on the environment, right? So we have to be well aware of the surroundings, the things that we let out as waste, because waste products are accumulating day by day and the waste products are increasing in a larger extent throughout the world. So we need to compensate or minimize this waste product so that um, the company's expectations are reached to a greater extent. That is, only if we consider the environmental forces, or if we consider, or if we at least try to eliminate or try to reduce these factors, then the global issues of today will be more of reduced, or it can be minimized to a greater extent. The global effect of all these waste disposal and the pollution can be reduced to a greater extent, right? So, fifth, that is changes in sociological forces. So, what are sociological forces? It is nothing but the change in population or culture or level of education, etc. Social changes of various dimensions of the society will mainly affect the manpower content of the organization. So, that is sociological forces. Right. Sixth, it is lack of skills. That is one of the major factors, because
If you do not have the skill or the talent to work out a particular project, then it is waste, right? So, lack of skill is another challenge faced by the organizations. It becomes harder and harder to find talented and experienced people. This is because organizations take prior precautions to retain the skilled employees. We have to retain our employees which are present in our organization, or the skilled workers or the talented workers, because once they're gone, we cannot find a suitable person. It's hard to find a suitable person again to recruit them and to appoint them. Anyway, the salary scale has to increase if we have to keep a skilled or a professional person in our organization. So, retaining of the skilled employees should be taken into consideration, otherwise, there will be a loss for the organization. Right. Then it is the market changes. Market changes is nothing but coping with the continuous rapid changes in the marketplace and need to find new ways in anticipating changes and challenges that are arising from everywhere. Because as I've mentioned earlier, the management or the manager should be able to cope up with the changes in the market. He should be updated. Similarly, the products or the innovative skills, the innovative ideas should be entertained, right? So the reshaping of the organizational structure or the strategies merging with the organizations are some kind of the initial solutions which can be implemented to cope up with such change. Right. So lastly, it's ethical and social responsibility. So what is ethical responsibility? Ethics is nothing but evaluation of right and wrong. Right. So business ethics is individual's work, how he is related to work, how the work which he is doing is right or wrong. That is individual's work. So evaluation of his the right and wrong of an individual in his work, that is business ethics. While social responsibility is a broader concept that concerns the impact of the entire business activity on society. Right. So, is he doing according to the law or is he doing according to the social standards? Okay, what is the attitude of him about this particular concept? So, different things are coming under the ethic and social responsibility. So, these things are have to be taken into account while you consider management, right? So, these are the many challenges that a management faces in the organization. So these are the eight challenges. You can add any number of challenges as you wish while you write you which you think is very appropriate. I've just cited eight of them. So hope it's clear. That's all for the day. Thank you.